continuing on, I'm going to use Limelight for the beard. Now this can be cut at any desired length. Just be sure to fold the yarn in half when you're measuring how long you would like the beard to be. What you want to do is go from the top space, poke your hook through, go to the bottom space, hook the green yarn and pull that through. And then hook the green yarn again and pull it through one more time. Now this next part is entirely up to you. I went 4 wide on the yarn on both sides of the nose, but you can go as wide or as narrow as you would like. I also went down 3 on either side of the nose and below the nose. Now this part can be done one of 2 ways. I prefer to unravel the strands so then it's more stringy, but if you look at the Grinch, he's more messy. I was trying to make it more messy by brushing it out. So after you're finished brushing, this is what it should look like. Then you can shape it. Now for the arms, start out with the green, do a magic circle, work in 6 single crochet in there. Remember to chain 1. Now you're going to go around and put 2 single crochet in each stitch around. So I didn't show it here, but do a single crochet all the way around. So on the very last stitch on the single crochet round, you're going to slip stitch, and then you're going to get your white yarn ready, your white velvet yarn. You're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, but don't go all the way through with the green. Grab the white, hook it through. Then you're going to single crochet all the way around. Once you made it all the way around, you're going to slip stitch into the last stitch, and then you're going to do the same thing that you did with the green to white. You're going to grab your red yarn and finish the slip stitch with the red yarn. Single crochet all the way around for at least 6 rows or to your desired length. Moving on to the legs. You want to make a magic circle. We're going to start from the feet first. So chain 1 and do 6 single crochets in that circle. Here you want to do 2 single crochet in each stitch around. Then single crochet all the way around for 3 rows. And here is an increase, so you're going to do 2 single crochet in that stitch and 1 single crochet in the next, and continue that all the way around. Single crochet this row, one more increase row, so there's 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next. Continue that all the way around. This next section, single crochet in the next 12 stitches for the heel. So now chain 1, turn, and then single crochet in the 12 stitches that you just did. Chain 1, turn, and single crochet back in those 12 stitches. The same thing here, chain 1, turn, go back in those 12 stitches to single crochet. So right here, I was contemplating whether I should turn it inside out or to keep it right side in order to stitch the ends together. I tried the right side in first, but then I ended up taking it apart and doing it inside out, which made it actually look a lot cleaner. So I do recommend doing inside out. Plus, all you're doing here is just going to slip stitch all the way down. Once you are finished with the heel, fasten off, and then we're moving on to stuffing the feet with the marbles, just so then the feet actually have the weight. Grab your white yarn, pull the white yarn through the chain space, and then half double crochet in each chain space around. After the half double crochet, we're going to move back to our green yarn to work on the leg part. Now this is going to be worked in on the back loop only. Once the green yarn is set, you're going to do 5 rows of single crochet, and then that will be your leg. Make 2 of those. Now's the time to assemble, and then you are all finished. And that will do it for the Grinch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you happen to have any suggestions as to what I should crochet next, leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you next time.